Hi, as you can see, there are no errors on my forms at the moment. This is because I have put the reporting form in solution folder. Reporting form is a form which is used for showing crystal reports. Now, if I move the form to another folder, it will start showing the error, unable to find the report in the manifest resources. Please build the project and try again. This occurs because we have moved the form to a folder outside of solution folder. To avoid such errors, always ensure that your forms are placed within the solution folder directly, especially if they are used for displaying crystal reports. Now the error is gone because of this reason.